Your checking account is actually giving you up to 5%. You can automatically invest every single deposit. The deposits are actually protected. Hello friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Anna, and my background includes a PhD in financial mathematics, being an airshow performer, owner of several aviation businesses, speaking multiple languages, have been multiple degrees, and one of my favorite areas is the finance, because that's my specialty that I trained in, and I love improving everything that is finance related, both in my personal finance and in my business. Today, I would like to share my experience with Wealthsimple. So full disclosure, yes, I do have a sponsored link down below in this video, and you can even get a bonus through this link. But before we get there, I was actually a regular customer of Wealthsimple, and I came to them for the services that they were providing, and I felt that they were way above and beyond of what I was receiving from the regular banks. The drills with the big banks, you typically have significant monthly fees. Your savings account hardly brings you any interest whatsoever. It's hard to communicate with someone, and online banking is pretty limited. So in many ways, for my personal finance, Wealthsimple addressed those concerns. Wealthsimple is actually not a bank, but it's a financial institution. However, you can operate for your daily banking the same way as you would be with a regular big bank. So you can have your checking account, you can have access to it through your phone or your computer. You can do e-transfers, you can use a debit card. You actually do get interest on your checking account, which never happens with the big banks. It's only on the savings account. And the interest rate can be up to 5%. Again, today in 2024, no savings account is giving you that unless you have higher risk investments. So with Wealthsimple, your checking account is actually giving you up to 5%, which is absolutely amazing. Obviously, over time, the interest rate can change, but overall, they tend to stay way above the offer of the other banks. It also helps that they are mostly online institutions. They do not have branches where you can physically go, so that helps to cut the overhead and make the accounts more affordable. They don't charge the fees, and you can go beyond the daily banking into your investments. So Wealthsimple does offer investment accounts, both registered and unregistered. So anything from education savings, pension savings, first-time home buyers, all the registered accounts where you can get additional tax benefits from the government of Canada, but you can also have just a regular investment. And in each of those categories, you can have anything from savings account to investment, and you can align your investments with your objectives. So if you're saving for a down payment for your house, for example, 3 or 5 years from now, the investment would be different than if you're saving for your retirement. That is, Simple allows you to balance your portfolio and adapt to the savings. And my favorite part, you can automate. So you can round up your expenses. So if you're paying $4.50 for your coffee and croissant, then you can have that rounded up to $5, for example, to automatically invest. You can automatically invest every single deposit or a paycheck, or every month on a certain day of the month to have certain amount invested for you automatically. I know other banks also offer it, but to have all these services and convenience, to me the big thing is the convenience, all in one place was really a game changer. And now let's get back to the benefits and the bonuses for you. Wealthsimple is offering a promo code that you can find down below in the description, that if you register following this link or using that code, Wealthsimple even fund your account with $25. You have nothing to lose. Another important thing for me with Wealthsimple is that the deposits are actually protected. As the big banks, if they default, if for whatever reason the bank is going bankrupt, then the government is guaranteeing the deposits up to certain amounts with those banks, that they will be basically covered, insured, and you will get your money back. So same actually works for Wealthsimple. Even though it's a financial institution, your deposits up to 500,000 Canadian dollars will be covered and protected under the same government guarantees. So you do not have a risk in holding your savings or investments with Wealthsimple, at least not up to that amount. And of course, remember that this is my personal experience. Make sure you do your research and make your decisions that are most suitable for your objectives, your lifestyle, and your finances. Check it out for yourself. I'm sure you will be impressed as I was. Click on the description below for more details, and I wish you achieving your financial goals. Share, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this video.